Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video, I will going to speak about some important taxation aspect relating to Indian Premier League. Yes, we're going to talk about some interesting taxation aspects relating to IPL cricket matches. Yes, first we will going to cover income tax perspective. Then in short, we're going to cover GST perspective of IPL. Right. So let's start. You'll be shocked to know some interesting aspects relating to taxation of this major sporting event in India. Right. So the mother body who have majority of the rights, who have full control, majority control over conducting such events is BCCI, Board of Cricket Council of India. Right. It's a not for profit making entity registered with the income tax department, interestingly. Right. So there are multiple transactions happens in such cricket tournaments, and majority thousands of crores of rupees mobilizes from one entity to the another entity, and this particular cricket tournament create lot of buzz every year, and it also helps in generating lot of revenue for the government, right? But there are some activities which are tax exempt. There are some activities on which tax is applicable, right? So let's talk about in detail. What BCCI do is BCCI sells. First is majority of the funds mobilization takes place when BCCI sells broadcasting rights of this cricket tournament, right? And by selling this broadcasting rights, BCCI makes thousands of crores of rupees, huge funds, huge profits BCCI makes, right? But interestingly, BCCI do not pay even a single rupee, right? Even a single rupee taxes. No income tax is applicable on Board of Cricket Council of India over making profits of selling broadcasting rights for IPL matches, right? Because BCCI is a body which is exempt as per provisions of Income Tax Act 1961, right? And this has also been upheld by one of the order of ITAT, Bombay bench, Tribunal Bombay bench, in a very detailed and very interesting judgment delivered by ITAT Bombay bench in November 2021. If you like to have full detail of this judgment, that why BCCI is not liable to pay income tax on such events, though BCCI is making huge profit on such events, right? You can check out my detailed video at the upper right corner, right? Here is the link of this video. You can check out all the details of the BCCI order, right? And if you wish to have the copy of that, you can write your mail ID in the comment box. We'll share copy of order of BCCI for that. In that ITAT order, right, BCCI is exempt body, and why profits are totally exempt from income taxes? Because BCCI is actively involved in the activity of promotion of sports in India. Promotion of sports as the activity of cricket in India, right? This is the reason why BCCI is not liable to pay income tax in India, and this fact has also been upheld by ITAT. In BCCI case, right, judgment pronounced by ITAT in November 2021, right? So it was about the broadcasting rights income that BCCI earned, and that's the majority of the mobilization of fund that takes place in this event. Second is taxation on the players, the team players who perform in the IPL matches, right? Whatever income players receive through the matches is taxable right, is taxable, and TDS is also applicable on such income. TDS at the rate 10% is applicable on Indian players, right? Whosoever be the owner of the team, when that person is paying X amount to the player, have to deduct TDS, right, before paying that amount to the player, right? And approximately 20% of TDS is applicable on foreign players, right, who come to India and play cricket matches, right? So this is the taxation of on the Indian players from the income tax perspective, right? And third income is the selling of tickets of IPL, right? What is the system of selling of tickets in IPL is what BCCI do is BCCI have IPL website and sell tickets directly, right? And BCCI also hire ticket distribution partners like your Book My Show and entities like Paytm also sell such tickets, right? So what BCCI do is BCCI charge X amount from such entities, and these entities sells further tickets at X plus some amount, right? So that they can make profits in the process, right? So whatever income BCCI earns from selling of profits, from selling of tickets, right? Whatever BCCI earn profit by selling of these tickets, BCCI use it in the activity of promotion of cricket, and this income of selling tickets is also exempt in the hands of BCCI, but not in the hands of Book My Show and Paytm, right? Because these are commercial entities not making any activity of promotion of sporting event in India, right? So the BCCI income of selling tickets is also exempt in India, right? So these are the three majority things where mobilization of funds takes place in cricket tournaments like IPL in India, right? So majorly the BCCI, who makes huge money, who makes thousands of crores by conducting such cricket tournaments, and profits earned by BCCI is totally exempt from income tax, right? As also upheld by ITAT Bombay bench in the judgment of BCCI in November 2021, right? Now let's talk about the GST perspective, right? Goods and services tax perspective, right? Though I am not expert into this, but let me give you some insights on applicability of GST on such tournaments, right? So the first is selling of media rights or broadcasting rights, right? Broadcasting rights. In this activity, 18% GST is applicable, right? BCCI have to collect and have to remit it to the government. GST is applicable, no exemption from GST. Exemption is only from income tax, not no exemption from GST, because it is a supply of service. Now let's talk about the players. The players who receive amount for from a team on whose behalf players play the cricket, right? And players also have to pay GST at the rate 18%, right? Because players are rendering their services. And third is selling of tickets, selling of IPL tickets, right? This also attracts 18% GST, right? Because this also falls in the definition of supply, right? Supply of service. So GST 18% is applicable on sale of tickets of IPL. And one more interesting thing is also upheld by authority of advance ruling in case of GST. I think it is Punjab authority, right? GST AR has been delivered, advance ruling has been delivered by by AR Punjab, that for example, if a team, right, have a right to sell, for example, 5,000 tickets, right, and out of these 5,000 tickets, this team gave some 100 complimentary tickets. What is complimentary? Free of cost tickets to any person or to any company or to any corporate house. Then this this team owner also have to pay GST on selling or giving of these complimentary tickets, right? GST is also applicable on giving complimentary IPL tickets, right? So this is the interesting aspect of taxation of IPL, covering both income tax as well as GST, right? If you have any query relating to Income Tax Act, you can comment your query in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thank you for watching this video. We will keep coming with a lot of educational videos like this. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. Bye.